In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy from Alibaba for personal use. Whether you're looking to snag a bargain or find something unique, Alibaba is a treasure trove of items just waiting to be discovered. So let's dive into the process step by step, making sure you have all the knowledge you need to make the best purchase possible. First, open up your web browser and head over to Alibaba.com. This is the starting point of your journey. When you land on the homepage, you'll notice it's bustling with vibrant images and offers, and it might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, it's easier than it seems. Next, focus on the search bar at the top. This will be your main tool for navigating Alibaba. Type in the name of the product that you're interested in. Maybe it's a cozy blanket, an innovative gadget, or some stylish decor. Make sure to use specific keywords to find the exact item you're looking for. After typing in your search, hit enter and watch as a myriad of options unfold before your eyes. Now, with so many products to browse through, it's important to filter your results according to your needs. Start by selecting the low MOQ, which stands for minimum order quantity. Choosing this option helps you find suppliers that allow for smaller, more manageable purchase amounts, often much more suitable if you're buying for personal use rather than wholesale. Once you've applied this initial filter, click on More Filters. This is where you can really narrow down your options. Fill in any specific details that are crucial for your purchase, things like preferred material, acceptable price ranges, or any particular brand you're keen on. The more details you provide, the more tailored your results will be. After entering your desired specifics and selecting Apply, Alibaba will refine your choices based on your criteria. Take your time to browse through the remaining items. Inspect them carefully to ensure they meet your expectations in terms of quality and features. When you found something that piques your interest, click on Add to Cart. You'll be directed to a page where you can adjust variations like color and quantity, catering the order to your exact needs. This is where you can finalize your choices before making the commitment to buy. Once you're satisfied with the selections and variations, it's time to proceed to checkout. Click Add to Cart if you haven't already, and then follow the checkout prompts. This process involves entering shipping details, reviewing costs, and finally completing the payment to confirm your purchase. And there you have it, your pathway to shopping on Alibaba. By following these steps, you can confidently navigate through Alibaba and find the perfect items for personal use. Happy shopping, and enjoy discovering everything Alibaba has to offer.